This is the dehumidifier. Everything is touch screen. You can change the levels. Go change the setting to where it needs to be. You have a regular setting. Just a fan. Try a close setting. Change the humidity level. We'll give about 35 in the house. You have the light, changes the light colors. Then you have the fan speed, low and high. Very easy to use, very small and compact on wheels. And if you shut it down, it comes with a drain tube right here in the back. And it's a lot of water. It fills full once a day. Very easy to empty. When it's red like that, it means the water's full or the container's out. And you just empty it, put it back in, and you're all set and ready to go.